关机了吗？
关了。它水冷箱在动。水冷箱是。
The printhead surface cannot be touched. 开机没法降下去。First, we need to put the wrapper down.
哎，这是我
你带的吗？
不是，这是我从那个喷头盖卸下来的螺丝。
什么？
我从喷头盖上卸下来的螺丝。
哪个喷头盖？
这不是铁盖的吗？
那就这个螺丝呀。
我从这上的螺丝卸下来的。
啊，那你放这干啥呀？神经啊！
应该是它这一边这螺丝。
它不是带了一大包螺丝吗？
对，应该这些螺丝里面。
The pin must be not broken, flat. And do like this. You can see here have pin. Pin connect with the pin, okay? Cannot do like this.
Sure.
Yeah, do like this. Connect this way, okay? Then another cable. We call this one up cable. This down cable. See, up, down, 2 ports.
Yep.
Alright, like this.
Okay. Que tener la cubierta de preferencia por no puede entrar ahí. Esa es la cabeza.
Then we install print head, okay?
Okay.
你我手机拍吧，你手机进度行不行？
可以。
This one screw. And here have another one screw. When the person to install print head, cannot install too faster because later we need to adjust the print head and the capacity again.
Okay, great.
Yeah, we have to remove it later. Loosen a little bit.
Okay.
Then it's really important. 没有记好笔啊。Okay, 3 through 1, 2, 3.
Right. We can see print head. This is the up cable, down cable, right? Okay.
So we mark the down here,
我不在办公室，我叫别人买。
down cable. Alright. And this the up.
打个电话给他们，要不你上12下班。
Okay.
Cool.
好，我那边。
Then we connect the up. You can see here. Here also mark name the down. Can you see? Down here. Down. So down connect with down. Okay. Down connect with the down cable. And opposite is up. So we're gonna to install the up first. And install like this. Yes, like this. And down this one. Install wire not loosen. So this is the down cable, connect with the down, up, connect with up. Okay?
Sure.
So if you have two print head, you just install another print head to this position.
Yeah, do the same.
Yes.
So what's the idea of having two? Before you say one for color, one for white and black, and one black and white, but this one same can do black and white and color, right? Because
Yeah.
I have the 5 cartridges.
Yes,
connected
yes. If you have two print head, it will be faster.
To do 2 items at the same time.
The faster, yes. For example, you can
also
put
faster because
Yes.
it makes double line. Okay.
yes, you can put one for white, all for white color, all for
yeah.
color ink.
Got it.
This will be quicker.
Makes sense.
Then after install print head, we're going to put the ink on the printer, okay? So first we 暂停一下。